Hey guys and gals, my name is Tara Griffith and I thank you for watching my video today. I currently teach at Shawnee Heights High School, which is located in Tecumseh, Kansas, which is basically Topeka, Kansas. It's a 5A high school located on the outskirts of Topeka. My roles are I teach chemistry and AP chemistry. I also am the head softball coach, so go Birds. Just about my personal life a little bit. These two dogs are my people. They're super cute, especially when they're sleeping. As far as this class, I'm very excited to get going because I love Google and I would like to learn more about it so I could use it more usefully in my classroom and help my students become better Google users. So I can't wait to learn more about it. I have used Google Classroom in the past, but I am not currently using it as our school is, we use Canvas as our student assignment program, if you will. So I wouldn't mind going back to Google Classroom, and I think maybe we might be headed down that road as a school. So I'm excited to learn more and see what else Google has to offer. Thanks. I can't wait to meet you guys.